Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, power sunroof. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Thinking about purchasing or leasing a car from Scott Robinson? Did you know that your new car is covered with a complimentary lifetime limited powertrain warranty? This is not just the manufacturer's warranty. This is something we bring you exclusively at Scott Robinson Chrysler. We call it the Scott Robinson Advantage. You see, we want a customer for life, so this is included at no extra charge. You're covered for as long as you own the vehicle. Thank you for choosing Scott Robinson.